The Bosch Cordless Electric Pruning Shears Pro Pruner 12 volts is a standout garden power tool designed for both professionals and avid DIY gardeners. Built with a brushless motor, it delivers impressive cutting performance with lower noise, higher durability, and extended efficiency compared to traditional pruning shears. The motor's mechanical switch ensures enhanced safety by preventing unintended activations and avoiding electromagnetic interference, an essential feature for heavy-duty field use. This Pro Pruner boasts a cutting capacity of up to 25 millimeters, making it ideal for trimming thick branches, particularly on fruit trees. It uses 4CR13 stainless steel blades, known for their corrosion resistance and longevity, rated for up to 500,000 cuts. Combined with Bosch's 12-volt 3.0-hour Li-ion battery system, the shears can deliver up to 4,500 cuts on a single charge, a major productivity boost for long pruning sessions without frequent recharging. The LED indicator offers intuitive operation, displaying working and standby states, enhancing user control and tool monitoring. Ergonomically designed and styled in professional blue and black, the tool balances well in hand, making prolonged use comfortable. Though the battery and charger are sold separately, the quality, power, and precision of the Pro Pruner justify its value. In conclusion, the Bosch Pro Pruner is an efficient, low-maintenance, and powerful solution for modern gardening. It's particularly suitable for orchard maintenance, vineyard care, and professional landscaping, delivering clean, fast cuts with minimal strain. The Liuyuo rechargeable wireless pruning scissors offer a compelling blend of cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and user-friendly design for gardeners seeking efficiency and precision. Powered by a robust 20-volt lithium-ion battery, these cordless shears provide extended runtimes and freedom from restrictive cables, while quick charge technology reduces downtime between sessions. Whether you're a professional or hobbyist, these shears are engineered to handle intensive pruning with ease. At the heart of this tool is a brushless motor, which not only delivers consistent power and clean cuts, but also enhances durability by reducing heat and friction. Paired with high-grade SK5 steel blades, the Liuyuo shears can slice effortlessly through branches up to 30 millimeters in diameter. The blades are sharp, wear-resistant, and built for longevity, ensuring smooth, precise cuts across a variety of garden tasks, from pruning fruit trees to trimming hedges. Designed with comfort and safety in mind, the ergonomic handle helps minimize hand fatigue during extended use, and the lightweight build adds to the overall ease of operation. Safety features such as a blade lock mechanism and protective shield provide added assurance during use, especially in dense or complex pruning environments. Versatile and dependable, the Liuyuo pruning scissors are ideal for pruning, shaping, harvesting, and more. With a reputation for quality and reliability, Liuyuo delivers a professional-grade tool that significantly enhances productivity in the garden, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about plant care. The Greenworks Electric Pruning Shear 40 volts is a professional-grade cordless lopper engineered for high-efficiency garden maintenance. Powered by a 40-volt lithium-ion battery and featuring brushless motor technology, this tool offers a powerful and consistent cutting experience, easily tackling branches up to 35 millimeters in diameter. The inclusion of a SK5 carbon steel blade ensures clean, precise cuts with superior sharpness and long-lasting durability, making it suitable for both home gardeners and professional landscapers. Weighing just 0.8 kilograms, the tool is remarkably lightweight, promoting comfortable extended use without causing hand or arm fatigue. The adjustable blade range adds versatility, allowing users to fine-tune the cutting width depending on the task. With a fast 2-hour recharge time via the included 2A charger and an extended runtime of up to 4 to 5 hours with the original 4.0-hour battery, the Greenworks shear ensures minimal downtime and maximum productivity. The shear's one-click operation makes it incredibly user-friendly, offering an intuitive and efficient alternative to manual pruning. It's also an eco-friendly solution, emitting no fumes and requiring minimal maintenance compared to traditional gas-powered tools. Whether you're trimming flowers, shaping hedges, or cutting tree branches, the Greenworks electric pruning shear delivers powerful, clean, and sustainable performance, making it a smart investment for any serious gardener. The Rexel XB 30mm brushless electric pruning shears are a versatile and efficient tool designed for both amateur gardeners and professional landscapers. Powered by a 480-watt brushless motor, these shears deliver exceptional cutting power with significantly higher efficiency and longevity than traditional motors. The brushless technology enhances performance by reducing wear, noise, and energy consumption, making pruning smoother and more effortless. One of the standout features of this model is its compatibility with DeWalt 20-volt max Li-ion batteries, offering flexibility for users who already own DeWalt tools. While the battery isn't included, the tool-only design makes it a cost-effective addition for those already invested in the DeWalt ecosystem. The cordless operation provides excellent mobility, especially in outdoor spaces where wires can limit reach or pose a hazard. Capable of cutting branches up to past 30mm in diameter, the Rexel XB shears use SK5 high-carbon steel blades known for their sharpness and durability. An integrated LCD digital display adds a modern touch, allowing users to monitor status and usage with ease. The lightweight body and ergonomic design reduce fatigue, making it suitable for individuals with limited hand strength, including seniors and arthritis sufferers. Ideal for use in orchards, gardens, greenhouses, and farms, this tool increases productivity by being 8 to 10 times more efficient than manual pruning. With practical accessories and a sturdy plastic carrying case included, the Rexel XB pruning shears are a highly capable, user-friendly solution for precise and efficient pruning. Sure, here is your text exactly as provided. The onevan brushless electric pruning shears offer a robust solution for gardeners and professionals seeking efficient and precise cutting. Equipped with a powerful 20,500-watt brushless motor, these shears can handle branches up to 40 to 45mm in diameter, making them suitable for various pruning tasks. The SK5 carbon steel blades ensure clean cuts and long-lasting sharpness. Designed for compatibility with 21-volt and 18-volt batteries, the cordless nature of the tool provides freedom of movement without the constraints of cords. The ergonomic design, combined with a sound pressure level below 70 dB and a vibration level of 2.5 meters per squared or less, ensures comfortable use over extended periods. While specific user reviews for this model are limited, similar on-van pruning shears have received mixed feedback. Some users appreciate the tool's cutting efficiency and ease of use, especially for those with limited hand strength. However, others have reported issues with starting the device and concerns about product quality upon delivery. In summary, the on-van brushless electric pruning shears present a powerful and versatile option for heavy-duty pruning tasks. Potential buyers should ensure battery compatibility and consider the mixed user experiences when making a purchase decision.